Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today because we have a very special guest. I'll introduce him in a few moments, but for today we're going to be making vanilla cupcakes and he's going to be helping us. So let's get started. So for the dry ingredients, you'll need 1¼ cup of all-purpose flour. So we'll measure that. This is 1 cup and ¼ cup. Then you'll need 1¼ teaspoons of baking powder. So we'll go ahead and put that in. 1¼ and you'll need 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So you sieve all that in together. So it's important to sieve your dry ingredients so that you don't have such lumps left after you have already mixed. So that's the dry ingredients. Let's make the wet ingredients. So for the wet ingredients, we'll first start with sugar. You'll need 3/4. That's 1, 2, 3/4 cups of sugar. And then you'll need 1/2 cup of, you can use butter or margarine, but my husband does not like butter. So in this case, you're going to be using Prestige margarine. 1/2 cup of Prestige. So put that in. So what you'll do first, you'll cream the sugar and the margarine together. After you've creamed, you'll now put your eggs in. Put them in one at a time. You put one in and then you cream together. You put the other one. So after you have mixed everything, you'll put 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So I'm using this brand Pradeep. I find it very flavorful, unlike the other brands. So 2 teaspoons. Then you mix that all in together. So I didn't have mala or buttermilk, so I'm going to make some. This is a half a cup of milk. So I'm going to add just a little bit of white vinegar to it. Once you add the white vinegar, the milk automatically curdles, and just like that you have your buttermilk. So after you've mixed your wet ingredients and you have your buttermilk or mala, you're going to go in and add your dry ingredients. So for the dry ingredients, you're going to add in 3 portions, and for the mala in 2 portions, making sure to mix well after every addition so that everything is well incorporated. So we're going to line our cupcake tray with cupcake liners. You can get this at any bakery shop. There's so many. They're like, I think, 1,000 pieces, and they're about 200 bob. So let's line our cupcake tray with liners. You can do this with your kids. It's a fun activity, actually.
So guys, men are taking over this time round. Fill your cupcake liners with the butter a little bit, halfway all the way on each and every cupcake liner. This is harder than I thought, but we'll get there.
So let's put the cupcakes in the oven. We're going to bake this for 12 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees. Hi guys, so like I said in my intro, today we have a special guest, and without further ado, help me welcome him. Karibu sana.
Yes, thank you very much, my wife. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm also doing great. Hi guys, this is Makale, aka Baba Tiffany.
Yes, so today we are here to just talk about our experiences as new parents, hoping that this will really help someone in that situation or expecting a new child. So yeah, that is what we'll be talking about today.
Yes, just to encourage someone there, especially for new couples, young parents. It's doable. So today the conversation is a real talk, maybe a heart to heart.
Yes.
Just to spice it up a little bit and to lose them to mahali to encourage them.
Yeah. So this whole journey started on the 9th of December in 2019.
Yeah.
Around 3 a.m. 3 a.m. Then started active labor at around 6, all the way up to 5:30 when I gave birth to a beautiful baby girl. So you know how in the movies you see that parents are given children and they are like, oh, she's so pretty.
Yeah.
Me, I honestly did not know what to do with her.
Where to start?
Or where to start. So me, what I did, I just wrapped her up in like 2 shawls. Nikamweka hapo ndani ya blanketi beside my bed, and yeah, and I slept because she was also asleep.
At
so
the time.
yeah, at the time, and I was extreme. So I also just went to bed, and I said, you know what, we will deal with this tomorrow.
Let God be in control.
Yeah. So luckily alilala the entire night. She slept, I think, until the next day. Yeah. So fast forward to bringing her home. Where now the challenges started.
The following day.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's when now reality sinks in, that you have a new tenant that you cannot chase away.
Can't.
You know?
You can't.
They are there with you 24/7. They are needy. They just need your attention 24/7, and there's no way they can assist you in any way.
They can't, and then they disrupt like everything.
Everything.
How your house was, your
Yeah.
sleeping arrangement, your social life.
Everything.
Everything is just completely turned upside down, and there's nothing you can do about it.
Sure.
Hauwezi reverse useme let's not do this.
Yeah,
Wacha
acha
turudishe.
turudishe.
Hauwezi like
Yeah.
ashakuja and that's it. So yeah, the journey began. We were just the 2 of us. We didn't have any house help. Actually, we have never had a house help
Yeah, till date.
till today.
Yeah.
So we'll tell you how that has been working out for us. But we didn't have like help, so it was just me and him. So we would just take turns kulala, or sleep, doing house chores.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it was tough. But we wouldn't lie, it was tough. You remember that cartoon we used to watch?
Yeah, the regular show.
The regular show.
Yeah, Rigby and Mordecai.
Yeah.
Yeah, we used to watch that cartoon every night at 11 and 1 a.m. and again 4 a.m.
4 a.m. Yeah.
Yeah, because now this one never used to sleep at night. Probably she used to do short naps.
Just
Power naps, maybe 30 minutes, 1 hour, she's up. And you know now, for a person that you're used to sleeping throughout, sleeping for 1 hour, then you're up again, it's completely...
It was so disorienting.
Completely,
Yeah, she used to sleep like, akilala kabisa, atalala like 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. in the morning. So the whole night you guys are up, you know the schedule for Cartoon Network, you know which programs are coming up, you just, because we had to find ways to entertain ourselves throughout the night. But it was tough. We had to deal with things like postpartum depression, which we'll talk about probably in our next video. We had to, reorganize our lives. I had to go back home, but we'll be telling you bits and bits about how we dealt with it. But for today, we just want to encourage new parents out there. Don't give up. It gets easier actually.
With time,
With time. Me, I can't believe it's Tiffany who now sleeps at 8 and wakes up the next morning at 10
or 11
a.m. Throughout the night, hakuna story ya kuamka ati kukunywa maziwa. No. She just completely sleeps all the night. So it gets easier. Don't give up. Don't give up on each other. I know at that time, because maybe you're sleep deprived, you're irritable, just extend each other grace. You understand? Msikasirikiane sana.
I know there are the instances whereby hamtaongeleshana kwa nyumba, because anakupandisha skari, and you can't take it out on the child. So you tend to take it out on your spouse, but the best thing you can do is just suck it up and be there for each other. Be cordial, be warm, be supportive, because that's the only way you can raise a young one. If you're able to maybe get a domestic manager to help you around, or maybe you have a younger sister, cousin to assist you, then well and good. For those who do it all by themselves, it's a hard job, but by being partners, you can do it.
Yeah. So just be there for each other. Don't give up on each other. Don't be so hard on each other, and Yeah, I think you'll be fine, because if us tulitoboa and that was like the toughest period in our marriage,
yeah.
I think you can also do it. We'll just be telling you how we got through all that, how we got through the depression
Yeah.
phase, how we managed to raise her step by step without a house help. Yeah, but for now, we just want to encourage you, everyone who is at that point right now, usi give up. Imagine it gets better. Yeah. So yeah, that's it for today's Real Talk segment. If you like this kind of content, please share, please subscribe to our channel, please do what other things.
Hit the notification bell.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
Make sure you
we'll be
subscribe.
going, yeah. You can ask us any questions, maybe in a comment section,
Yeah.
on what you'd like us to maybe
Talk about.
share more. Yeah, and we'll be doing this every single Monday, hopefully. Yes, well, we'll try as much as possible to be consistent. So come with us on this journey, and yeah, let's grow together.
Yeah. See you guys. Do have a great week ahead.
Yeah, bye. So 12 minutes later, we are going to be checking on our cupcakes. Let's open this and see how they're doing. How you check if they're done, just insert a toothpick right in the middle. If it comes out clean, that means your cupcakes are done. But I'll leave mine for like 5 more minutes in the oven so that they can get a nice golden brown color.